Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're talking about one of the most iconic gaming consoles of all time, the Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red Joy-Con. Even years after its release, this console continues to dominate because of its flexibility, portability, and massive library of exclusive games you can't experience anywhere else. If you've been thinking about getting a Switch or upgrading an older model, this is still one of the best all-around gaming devices you can buy. The magic of the Nintendo Switch lies in its hybrid design. You can play it handheld on the go, dock it to your TV for a full console experience, or set it up in tabletop mode with the kickstand. That flexibility gives you gaming whenever and however you want, at home, during travel, or in tight spaces where traditional consoles don't fit. Whether you're commuting, chilling with friends, or relaxing on the couch, this console adapts instantly. Then there's the controllers, the neon blue and neon red Joy-Con. These aren't just colorful accessories, they're incredibly versatile. They slide onto the sides of the console for handheld mode, detach for multiplayer, or combine with the Joy-Con grip for more traditional gameplay. The built-in motion sensors make games like Mario Kart, Switch Sports, and Zelda more interactive and fun, and HD rumble adds subtle feedback that elevates immersion. The game library is another major selling point. The Switch has exclusives you simply cannot get on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC, titles like The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Tears of the Kingdom, Super Mario Odyssey, Pokémon Scarlet and Violet, Animal Crossing, New Horizons, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, and more. Plus, third-party support is strong, giving you access to indie hits, retro classics, online multiplayer titles, and major franchises. Battery life is reliable, the interface is simple, and Nintendo's online service gives access to classic NES, SNES, N64, and Game Boy games. The console is super lightweight, making it great for kids, families, and anyone who wants gaming without complicated setups. If you want a system that delivers fun, flexibility, and years of content, the Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red Joy-Con is still one of the best picks in 2025. Check the link below to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick with Gadgetverse for more daily tech finds. Buy yours on Amazon today and start your gaming adventure.